One of the cool things about some of the new high-res, high definition modeling that we have with very good spatial recognition of temperatures is you get to look at how fronts move into the area. The model you're looking at right now is the 2 meter temperatures, which is very close to the surface at 11 o'clock this morning, which is right about now. Watch what happens. You can actually see the front move into the southeast, and also notice how you can see the mountains and the terrain and the impacts it has on the temperature. So let's go out in the future and watch the front approach. Notice the warm air tries to surge north, but we really never make it much into the 60s. It looks like the cold air wins out. And then look what happens in the mountains. You see how cold it gets at the mountaintops. And the blues are below 32 degrees or freezing temperatures. And notice how they spread deep into the south. So this is tomorrow morning, right around sunrise. You can see how cold the North Carolina mountains are up into West Virginia. Those are temperatures in the teens and 20s. In the blues, that's 32 degrees or lower. But notice how the model tries to pick up on some of the urban areas, the urban heat islands, as well as some of the lakes, and then our isothermal ranges up here in the mountains where you get warm air gets trapped in some of these high valleys. That basic setup you get on the lee side of the mountain. So pretty interesting to see how the model works. I'll widen it out one more time, and we'll go out to tomorrow afternoon. You can see much colder day. Some of the mountaintops never get out of freezing tomorrow. Let's go back, and you can see the front progress through the area. So pretty awesome to look at how our modeling data has gotten so much better when you start looking at this data as the cold air comes into the southeast. So just another way that, boy, weather technology is really improving. You can actually see the front is right there on the model. Let me go back. I'll toggle back and forth, and you can see the front moving across the Charlotte area. And again, that time frame is about 6 p.m. this evening when the coldest air arrives. So mountains, boy, it's going to cool off quickly. We'll see a little bit of snow, and then the cold air spreads across the region.